myself Vinod Panara, and in this lecture we discuss about mathematical function like factorial, then f mod, then power, then exponential. Okay. So first factorial function of math module. Then it return factorial of a number. Now what do you mean by factorial? For example, factorial of 3, it is equal to 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial of 6, it is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so reduce number and multiply up to 1. That is factorial of number. Okay. Now, for example, import math. Math, that is one type of module that contain number of variable and number of function. Now, print math dot factorial and 3. It means we find out factorial of 3. Okay, so if we import math module, then we have to use any function, any variable of that module. Okay, so we use this factorial function. So math dot factorial and factorial of 3, that we have to find out. So it is equal to 3 into 2 into 1, answer that is 6. Then print math dot factorial of 4. We find out factorial of 4. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, answer that is 24. Then print math dot factorial of 5. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, answer that is 120. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So same program, import math, then print math dot factorial of 3, then math dot factorial of 4, then math dot factorial of 5. Okay, so if we run this program, then answer that is 6, 24 and 120. Okay, then second function f mod. So math dot f mod function, it return the remainder of x and y. So it return the remainder of x divided by y. Okay. For example, import math, then print math dot f mod 20 and 4. Here 20 is x, 4 is y. So 20 divided by 4. So if we divide 20 by 4, then the remainder is 0. So it return 0.0 because this f mod function return answer in float value. Okay, remember this one, huh? So 0.0. Then print math dot f mod 20 and 3. 20 that is x, 3 that is y. So if we divide 20 by 3, then we get remainder 2. But answer is 2.0. Okay. Then print math dot f mod 15 and 6. So if we divide 15 by 6, then remainder is 3, but answer that is float value 3.0. And print math dot f mod minus 10 and 3. Minus 10 is x, 3 that is y. So minus 10 divided by 3, then we get remainder minus 1. So that is minus 1. Okay, so this is about f mod function. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So same program, import math, then print math dot f mod 24, then math dot f mod 23, 15, 6, minus 10, 3 and 0, 0. This is extra. So if we run this program, then output that is 0.0 for first one, 2.0 for second one, 3.0 for third one, and minus 1.0 for fourth one. For this last one, x that is 0 and y that is also 0. So we get value error because y is 0. So value error, math domain error. Okay. Then next one, power function. So it return the value of x to the power y. Value of x to the power y. So for example, import math, then print math dot power 9 and 3. It means 9 raised to 3. 9 into 9 into 9. So we get answer 729.0 because this function also return answer in float value. Okay. Then print math dot power 2 and 3. It means 2 raised to 3. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, but answer is 8.0. Then print math dot power 4 and 2. It means 4 into 4. 4 square. So answer that is 16, but we get answer that is 16.0. Answer in float value. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So same one, import math, then print math dot power 9 and 3, then print math dot power 2 and 3, then print math dot power 4 and 2. Same one. So if we run this program, then output that is for first one 9 into 9 into 9, so 729.0 because answer in float value, then 2 into 2 into 2 8.0, then 4 into 4 16.0. Okay. Then next one, exponential function, exp function. So it return e rise to the power of x. So for example, exponential function, import math, okay, then print math dot exponential of 1. Exponential of 1, that is 2.71828182, this one. That is answer. And if we print out maths dot exponential of 0, what is exponential of 0? 1. But this function also return output in a float value 1.0. So this is about exponential function. Now this same function we run in a PyCharm. So import math, okay, then print math dot exponential 1, and second print maths dot exponential 0 or anything. Okay, if we print out print dot maths dot exponential of 2 3 5 7, we get answer by this function. Okay, so if we run this program, then output that is for first one 2.7182 to this one, and for second one 1.0. Okay, so this is about today lecture. In this lecture we discuss about factorial, that is one type of function, then power function, then exponential function. So that is function of math module. Module, we know that it contain many variable and many function. So maths, that is one type of module. Okay, so this is about today lecture. Thank you for today lecture.